Drake made $6,200 for dollars in 1 week as a complete beginner from his work-from-home job. In this video, I'm going to break down his exact process so that by the end of this video, you can start a similar business. What I'm going to show you today is something surprisingly simple: using AI to translate videos for content creators. The best part is that, like Drake, you don't need any experience or qualifications. It's all about understanding the tools available and following a clear process, which I'm going to break down for you step by step. Step 1. Understand the business model and potential. Let's start with why this works. The internet is a massive place, and video content is everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. These platforms are where creators connect with their audiences, and videos are the preferred way to do it. But here's the problem: language barriers. Most videos are created in one language, but billions of people around the world speak something else. For example, think of a great English language tutorial. It might be perfect for someone in the US or UK, but what about viewers in Spain, India, or Brazil? If they don't understand English, they're missing out on valuable content, and the creator is missing out on a potential audience. This is where you come in. Content creators know that translating their videos can help them reach new audiences, but most don't have the time, skills, or resources to do it themselves. Traditional translation methods, hiring translators and voice actors, are expensive and take a long time. AI has completely changed the way we can do this. With tools like HeyGen, you can use artificial intelligence to translate videos quickly and affordably, making it easier for creators to reach global audiences while earning money for yourself. Step 2. Set up and get familiar with HeyGen. Let's walk through how this works. HeyGen is an AI platform that simplifies video translation and dubbing. HeyGen uses advanced technology to replace the audio in a video with a natural-sounding translation. What's impressive is that it can even sync the voice with the speaker's lip movements, so it looks smooth and professional. And don't worry, you don't have to be a tech genius to use HeyGen. The platform is designed to be beginner-friendly. To get started, you'll need to visit the HeyGen website. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to sign up for an account. It's free to create an account, so there's no upfront cost to start exploring the tool. After signing up and logging in, you'll come to the dashboard. The interface is straightforward, so you don't have to waste time figuring out what's what. Everything is clearly labeled, making it easy to follow along. Now, let's say you've got a video to work with. Maybe it's a sample video you're using to practice, or maybe a creator has asked you for a free trial translation. HeyGen allows you to either upload a video file directly from your computer or paste a link to a YouTube video. For this example, let's say you're working with a YouTube video. Copy the link of the video you want to translate and paste it into the input field on the HeyGen dashboard. Once you've done that, the platform will start processing the video. Next, you'll select the target language for the translation. Let's say the original video is in English, and you want to translate it into Spanish. HeyGen offers options for different accents and dialects. For Spanish, you can choose between Latin American or European accents, depending on the audience you're targeting. This level of customization is super important because it makes sure the translation feels natural to the viewers, which is exactly what creators are looking for. Once you've chosen the target language, it's time to hit the translate button. The AI will process the video, analyze the audio, and replace it with the translated version. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the length of the video. While you wait, let's talk about what makes this tool so powerful. HeyGen doesn't just slap on a robotic voice or generate subtitles. It creates a full dubbed version of the video, complete with natural intonations and expressions. The result is high-quality dubbing that sounds like a real person speaking fluently in the target language. When the translation is finished, HeyGen allows you to preview the video. This is where you can check the quality and make sure everything looks and sounds right. The platform even has a side-by-side comparison feature, so you can watch the original video next to the translated version. Once you're happy with the result, you can download the final video file. That's it. The translation is complete and ready to share. Step 3. Find clients. Okay, this is one of the most important parts of the process because this is how you turn your skill into an actual income stream. Your main audience will be content creators, people who are already producing videos regularly and are interested in reaching a larger, more diverse audience. But not every creator is the right fit. Focus on those who are serious about growing their channels and have enough subscribers so that, for them, it's worthwhile to invest in your translation services. One tool that can help you find these creators is Channel Crawler. This is a search engine specifically for YouTube channels, and it's incredibly useful for targeting the right audience. You can filter your searches by country, subscriber count, language, and even the type of content the creator produces. For example, if you want to find channels in the education niche with between 10,000 and 100,000 subscribers, Channel Crawler can pull up a list of options in seconds. This saves you a ton of time compared to manually searching through YouTube. Once you've identified potential clients, visit their channels and watch a few videos to get a feel for their content. Head to their About section, where you'll usually find an email address for business inquiries. This is how you'll reach out to them. Step 4. Contact potential clients. Now it's time to actually reach out to the creators you found via email. When you're writing your email, keep it simple and professional. Introduce yourself, explain what you're offering, and highlight the benefits. For example, you might mention how translation can help them grow their audience and increase their revenue by reaching non-English speaking viewers. Offering a free sample translation is a great way to grab their attention. It shows you're confident in your work and gives them a no-risk way to see the quality of your service. Pricing is another important aspect to think about. You could charge per minute of video or offer package deals for multiple translations. For example, translating a 15-minute video at $13 per minute would make you $195. Make sure to clearly communicate your rates and what the client can expect in return. Transparency is key to building trust and setting the right expectations. Step 5. Deliver the work. Once you start landing clients, focus on delivering high-quality work. Use HeyGen to its full potential, and make sure to double-check every video before sending it back to the client. A satisfied client is more likely to come back for more translations and recommend your services to others. Over time, you can build a steady stream of income and even scale your business by taking on more clients, or expanding into related services like subtitling or video editing. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity. You're using technology to solve a real problem, and the demand for this kind of service is only going to grow as video content becomes more global. With a little effort and consistency, you can turn this into a reliable source of income, all from the comfort of your home. So, if you're ready to get started, head over to HeyGen and give it a try. The tools are there, the demand is there, and now you've got the knowledge to make it happen. Have you heard of or tried HeyGen before? Will you be checking it out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.